Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making a crowd favorite salted egg pork belly. Crispy, creamy, and packed with flavor. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or even a weekend indulgence. Let's get cooking. In a bowl, combine pork belly with garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, and 1 beaten egg. Mix well until every piece is coated with flavor. Next, coat each pork belly piece with tapioca starch. This gives it that crispy texture we all love. Once coated, let it rest in the fridge for 15 to 30 minutes. This helps the coating stick better when frying. Heat oil in a pan and fry the pork belly until golden brown and crispy. Don't overcrowd the pan, fry in batches if needed. In another pan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Add the mashed salted egg yolks and stir until bubbly. Then add 1 tablespoon of condensed milk for that creamy twist. Once the sauce is smooth, toss in the fried pork belly and coat evenly. Look at that! Crispy pork belly coated in rich, buttery salted egg sauce. Serve it hot with rice or enjoy it as is. Either way, it's a guaranteed hit. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delicious dishes. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite salted egg recipe? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.